Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 1500 SLT quad cab. Under the hood we have 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in bright silver, looks great. You got that chrome grille up front there with your halogen headlights, as well as you do have your fog lights and your chrome bumper down there. Coming around the side here, we do have our tires here, our Cooper tires. And they are 20-inch rims. They look great. Lots of tread still left on them. You do have your heated exterior mirrors right there and your running boards along the bottom. And coming around to the back of the vehicle, we got a 6-foot box back here. You got the 4x4 SLT badging. You do have the dual exhaust pipes and you do have your chrome bumper. Lift this guy down. Lots of room back here as well, and it does also have the spray and box liner. Got our keys here, 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock. We got our panic button and we also have the remote start there. So let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks. That guy does bring in your mirrors. You have some chrome accenting on the handle, a handle here, some storage, and more down here. Looks fantastic in here. The cloth seats are very comfortable. You have the controls over your seats here, so backward, forward, tilt, lumbar support. And then up here, we got the controls over the lights. So the auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as fog lights and in-cabin lights. And then up here, we got the controls over the turning signals, high beams, and windshield wipers. Let's start her up here. Key in the ignition. And we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge, engine temperature. We also have our battery and oil life up there. And right in the center we can see that we have 2,000 kilometers. That's pretty much nothing. You can also see that we can change it to the vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A and B, as well as the trailer tow. You got your audio, stored messages, screen setup, and your speedometer right there. That is all controlled from here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. Around the back of the steering wheel, you got a volume up and down with the source changer in the center. And then in the center here, we got an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect. So you got your AM, FM, and Sirius XM, as well as your media tab if you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. You have your controls over your heated seats and heated steering wheel. Your Uconnect apps right here, your climate control. It is a dual climate system for you and your passenger. As well, you got your off for the screen and your phone options right there. As well, you do have your gear shift right here, just like that. And then you have your 2-wheel, 4-wheel low, and 4-wheel lock. Right over here, we got the volume up and down with the mute. You got your screen off, hazard lights, back button, and your tuner and browser. AC, circulation, temperature control, power off auto, front and rear defrost. You got your trailer brake. You also have your traction control, tow and haul mode. You have your heated seats and heated steering wheel, some storage right there, and then in the center you got your 3 cup holders with your armrests. It doubles as a storage container. Lots of room in there. As well, you do have your aux cord and USB plugins right there. You can lift this guy up and you got another seat underneath there. It does seat 6 people altogether. As well, you do have another little storage container underneath there. Top and bottom layers for your glove boxes. Lots of room in there as well. And then up top, you got your universal garage door opener right there and the control over the window in the back. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door, you have that same chrome accenting, control over your windows, and a handle here. Looks great back here. Seating for 6. You can lift this up and this, and you got some storage just underneath there. You can do the same with the other side. As well, you can fold that guy down like that, and then you got a flat surface to put stuff on top of. Well, that does it for my walk-around video, the 2017 Ram 1500 SLT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.